Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping the sheet so your PDF looks professional. First, set the print area and hide any stray rows or columns. This prevents blank pages. Next, choose page layout options, orientation, paper size, margins, and scaling, because PDF output follows these settings. Once done, go to File and select Save As or Export, then choose PDF. Make sure to name the file and pick the target folder. This first export confirms your basic layout and saves time downstream. Now refine export options to control how your data flows into PDF. Use scaling choices, fit sheet on one page or fit all columns, so columns don't spill across pages. Custom scaling gives precise control. Decide whether to export the active sheet or the entire workbook, because multiple sheets change navigation and file size. Also choose optimization, standard for crisp printing, minimum size for emailing. Finally, check whether to include document properties and non-printing elements, because those affect accessibility and file metadata. Finish by previewing the generated PDF and performing a final inspection of page breaks and content flow. If everything aligns, save a copy and share. If formatting shifted, adjust margins or manual page breaks in Excel and re-export. Alternatively, print to a PDF virtual printer, which can yield different results. Make sure fonts are embedded if recipients lack them, and update printer drivers if problems persist. One troubleshooting tip: switch to the PDF print driver and test again. Often that resolves stubborn layout issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.